morning, Asia. This is PrivateerFX North American wrap. Let's get right to the charts. There were some interesting chart patterns today, so I want to get right to it. Here's a dollar yen daily. We had a doji after a big up bar yesterday. A lot of indecision. We failed up at 112.45.50 area. Closed unchanged on the day. So this will be interesting to see if we can get continued weakness, maybe get back down into here, this 111.60.70 support level, which now looks to be very important going forward for the rest of the week. Let's take a look at a sterling yen chart just along the yen theme. We had an outside reversal day lower in sterling yen. Granted, it wasn't the high of this last little swing, but still something to pay attention to, showing more yen strength, sterling weakness, and that also shows up in the euro sterling chart, where euro is stronger than the British pound, and we had a reversal, almost outside reversal higher day, but a reversal higher day right into the 100-day moving average. So we are seeing some sterling weakness, some yen strength, and I think we need to keep a close eye on the British pound, and there are more of these Brexit negotiations coming up in the next couple days, so it's very sensitive to any news bomb out of the EU and the UK. The next chart we should look at is dollar Canada. This is kind of a doji type day. This was all based on some NAFTA comments that came out midday, where they've completed the fourth round of negotiations and now pushing the next round into 2018. The Canadian dollar and the Mexican peso rallied on this news. You can see, I'll show you dollar mex, it's even better. Here's the daily, but take a look at the hourly. You can see the big reaction from 1900, went down to, got to as low as about 1874, but back to the daily, you can see this pattern. This has had a huge run up. Mex has been one of the weakest currencies in the past 6 weeks, and we had a big outside reversal or bearish engulfing day, closed just under the 200-day moving average. This looks like it's going to retrace some of this 6-week uptrend. So we're definitely playing this from the short side. We highlighted the New Zealand dollar last night just after the CPI number. You can see a lot of indecision here. This was Monday's bar. This is Tuesday's bar after the CPI. This market's got to make a decision here soon. Either we're getting above this 72.10 level and start retracing some of this downtrend, or this 5-bar uptrend is going to reverse and we will start taking it back down to like this 2/3 or 3/4 Fibbo. So we're definitely keeping a close eye there. One other chart that's very interesting is this DAX. This is ugly. There's just been indecision, opens and closes very close to each other for the past 2 weeks, really. A lot of doji type closes. Here's a red one. Here's an inside day, and now we had another doji close where it started out strong and then closed unchanged on the day. It's time for this market to either make new highs or correct lower, and we're going to use this area here just below these lows, this 12,965.70. This is a break trade here in the DAX. There's no economic data in Asia. We do have the UK jobs report coming out during Europe, but we don't think it'll be anything more than a knee-jerk reaction. We still have Brexit negotiations going on this week. There's still an 82% chance of a rate hike in November out of the Bank of England. Trump is interviewing Yellen on Thursday. We talked about that yesterday, and he is going to make a decision, like we stated. They came out and said today that he will make a decision on the next Fed chairman before his Asian tour, which is November 3rd. So in the next couple of weeks, pay attention to those headlines, because there could be some market moving events related to the next Fed chair. That should do it for today. good luck, and we will speak to you on the European Open. Have a good day.